Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Erus Rusdianto. I'm from the Department of Dakwah Management Semester 3. This video was meant to meet the final semester examination. I want to go to Istanbul, Turkey. The reason I want to take a vacation to Turkey is because Turkey is one of the countries that is rich in tourist attraction. In my opinion, Turkey is a very peaceful country. Not a few artists often vacation in Turkey because indeed Turkey is one of the right countries for vacation or for vacation honeymoon. The Republic of Turkey also simply referred to as Turkey is a country in the region of Eurasia. Its territory stretches from the Anatolian Peninsula in Southwest Asia to the Balkans in southeastern Europe. Turkey, a state in the Middle East, is very famous for its distinctive design that is majestic and luxury. Not only that, Turkey is a country that has recorded a lot of traces of the history of civilization in the world. History, a lot of great history engraved in this city. Even though Turkey is now a country with a majority Muslim religion. Did you know that Turkey has quite a lot of history of Christianity? The following lectures will present unique and interesting facts from the country of Turkey. First, Istanbul, Turkey is the only unified territory in the world built on two continents. Second, Turkey is a country with a Muslim majority. Third, famous for its kebab food. Fourth, have foods with fatty, spicy, and meat-based flavors and characteristics. And the last, the most populous country, Ankara and Istanbul are the most crowded cities in the Turkey. Next, here are some tourist attractions in Turkey. First, Galata Bridge. Galata Bridge is one of the tourist attractions in Turkey, which is always crowded with tourists when crossing the bridge, which was built in the year 1368. You will see views that present two different sides, namely European and Asian style buildings. What is unique about this bridge is that it consists of two levels. The top of the bridge is used for vehicle and pedestrian transportation, while the lower level is filled with cafe and restaurant, which haven't been opened to the public since 2003. 2. Cappadocia. This tourist spot offers a very enchanting natural beauty. To get to this place, you can take a bus with a distance of about 11 hours from the city of Istanbul. Cappadocia has an amazing view, ordinary, like being on another planet. Views of places, canyons, and hills dominate this tourist spot in Turkey. 3. Fathiye. Fathiye is always crowded with visitors during the summer. To get to this tourist spot in Turkey, you can take a plane, get up at the international flight Antalya or Dalaman. Either from Antalya or Dalaman, it is only 1 hour drive to Fathiye. Various activities such as swimming, you can do fishing, diving, paragliding, sailing, and canoeing here. There is also a hiking area with routes of mountain through valleys and through trek along more than 500 kilometers called the way Antalya Turkish cuisine. Furthermore, there are some culinary characteristics of Turkey are as follows. First, Turkish kebab. Kebab is one of the dishes from Turkey which has now become worldwide. This dish is made from grilled mutton or beef shells and worked in pita bread with vegetables and sauce. The unique, delicious, and filling taste makes Turkish kebab one of the most sought after foods by tourists who are on a culinary tour in Turkey. Second, kumpir. The next Turkish specialty that is no less delicious is kumpir, a dish of baked potatoes with various toppings such as pieces of sauce, vegetables, and a sauce that has a very delicious savory taste. To be able to find this Turkish specialty, tourists can find it in the night market or on the radio side at night because this culinary is mostly sold by street vendors. Third, Vela. As an Indonesian people who have a staple food in the form of rich pilaf, explained or often dubbed Turkish special rich is mandatory to taste. The savory taste of this rich is obtained from this processing using butter, salt, as well as various species and additional ingredients such as paste. Last, Turkey country culture. First, lifestyle. Turkey is a bridge between Asia and Europe, not only in terms of geographical location but also in culture, social and political aspects. Due to its unique position on the territory of the country spread across Anatolia or Asia and Thrace or Europe, many great civilizations have arisen throughout history, and these civilizations have been come to culture and ethnic richness and diversity. Many things in Turkey contain a mix of East and West, old and new, traditional and modern. When you visit even the smallest city in Turkey, no matter how small the population is, you will find that various elements of cultures, tradition, belief, language, or dialect are here. Many religions, ethnicities, and cultures originate from human life in the territory of Turkey, which is home to many communities and empires that left their mark and lay on the roads of migration on trade. Perhaps as a result of this diversity, people in Turkey have become harmonious, friendly, and helpful. 2. Strong family bonds and friendship, be it for solidarity or decency. Turkish people used to share desires, clothes, emotion, secrets. People don't like to be alone in many ways, and in this case, family relationship and friendship become very important. If you ask someone in Turkey, regardless of age, gender, social position, you will get the answer that he has close friends from the neighborhood or school, especially from university. Friends sometimes outperform their family members in intimacy and depth of sharing. Unlike in Turkish, the concept of those close friend refers to this. If you decide to study in Turkey, you not only get a diploma, you can get lifelong friendship that give back, also thirst and serenity. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.